Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a cooking timer on the SmartThings application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the live button down below, which is the third option, and tap on cooking. Here tap on the home button down below on the left side corner and click on the more button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on timer. Tap on the plus icon down below and set the timer. Click on set timer, and here you can start your timer by tapping on the start button. Here you can pause it by tapping on the pause button and cancel the timer as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.